Hi, my name's Vince Lowe.
And it's Denise Mai.
Today, we're here at a very special place. It's one of Denise's own projects located here in East Vancouver in the heart of Hasting Sunrise neighborhood. It's a 5-bedroom, 4-bath house on a corner lot unit.
This is the first time this home has ever been listed, and it's a project that's been a year and a half in the making. It's been meticulously detailed and a complete masterpiece, and we can't wait
To give you a tour.
Welcome to your West Coast haven. This is truly one of a kind. As you enter your grand foyer, you have these beautiful 3 skylights that bring in so much bright, natural light into your space. I absolutely love these beautiful black spiral staircase that leads you into your bedrooms. But here is your Scandinavian-inspired home. It is luxury at its complete finest. So minimalistic, but also contemporary and modern. I absolutely love this feature wall here. You have these white oak slats that have so much storage behind them. This home is truly incredible because you have this 75-inch TV and this electric fireplace with Swarovski crystals that are inspired. Imagine cozying up here in your beautiful living room, watching a movie, enjoying quality time. It's so bright and airy in the space that it's absolutely flexible for you to do whatever you like. And as we move here into the sitting area, this could be a reading nook, a children's play area. You have an office to the side that could act as also a guest room. Plus, you have a full bathroom that is truly a nice spa-inspired feel. And here is your 8 or even 12-seater dining room table that's perfect for hosting gatherings, dinners, birthday parties. And because this is situated on a corner lot, look at all these windows surrounding you. What I absolutely love about this home, they added into a 3-panel door which slides all the way and leads into your beautiful garden oasis of your backyard. And of course, behind me here now is your kitchen. This is a chef's dream. Look at this massive quartz countertop of an island you have. Just imagine hosting, entertaining, and right behind me here is a wine fridge for all you wine connoisseurs out there. Of course, what I love is this quartz countertop that leads into your backsplash. And here is your 4-burner gas range, black stainless steel Samsung appliance package. And you also here have your spice rack, plus so much additional storage to hold on to any of your cooking essentials. But of course, for those of you who love a lazy Susan, here it is. You can hold your pots and pans here and so much more. So much incredible storage here. Plus, I absolutely love the 2-tone cabinetry. You've got the white oak veneer inspired kitchen cabinets. Plus, look at this double mount under sink with your beautiful black faucet. And you've got these French doors that open up into your fridge to hold all your goodies. This home is truly move-in ready and it's perfect for you and your family to enjoy.
As you come up these spiral stairs, what you'll notice is these high ceilings that truly make this home open and airy. You'll find here your chandelier, which is your centerpiece, and an extra landing space for all your plants and art pieces and anything in between. As you walk through these hallways, you'll find 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. And also behind these barn door, tucked away is your top of the line LG stacked washer dryer, which is also gas fired and truly a powerhouse of a machine for all your laundry needs.
Welcome to your master bedroom oasis. This is such a space where you can relax and unwind. What I absolutely love is those sconces that are hanging from your ceiling. And you have a black ceiling fan that really be able to cool your entire space. You can fit a queen or even a king size bed. And I love these bay windows here that look out into your beautiful North Shore mountain view. And the best part about this space, besides your walk-in closet of course, is your own personal ensuite. I absolutely love the radiant floor heating. Just imagine during the winter time, the heat warming up your feet. And look at these bright LED light with anti-fog capabilities. And you have his and her vanities with a floating shelf with quartz countertop. And you also have these Italian floor-to-seal porcelain tiles that go right up to the ceiling. And the best part about this ensuite is this standing shower right behind me. Look how massive it is. You have a his and hers shower, rainfall shower head, just fit for a king and a queen. This space is so nice and relaxing, and it's truly waiting for you.
Welcome to your flex space. The space can be used as your recreational room, theater room, in-law suite, and even your separate entry, one bedroom, one bath mortgage helper. This space has brand new windows throughout, which invites a lot of natural light and truly yours for the making.
The rich and vibrant Hasting Sunrise corridor is right at your doorsteps, offering an abundance of shops like Starbucks, Shoppers Drug Mart, and Donald's Market, and an amazing selection of restaurants. Spend the day at the outdoor pool by the New Brighton Park, bike along the waterfront of Wall Street and Commissioner, hunt for unique finds at one of the many mom and pop shops, or simply relax and enjoy a glass of wine right here in your very own spacious backyard oasis. This home and neighborhood truly has something for everybody.
Welcome to your backyard, where you'll find your detached two-car garage, which can also be turned into a laneway house.
This is one of the most desirable locations in Vancouver. It's within a walking distance to Pandora or Callister Park. It's also a short drive to New Brighton Beach, offering plenty of outdoor amenities for you and your family to enjoy.
It's quick access to Highway number 1 and also a 15-minute drive to downtown Vancouver.
You got public and private school right in this neighborhood, making it the perfect place for you to raise your family. The P&E is also just minutes away, offering plenty of outdoor activities, events, attractions for your family to enjoy year-round.
If you want to come take a look at this beautiful house, my name is Vince Lowe.
My name is Ann Pham.
Give us a call anytime.